Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm a backer of the Kickstarter campaign from the company Motion Grade. It's called MS5, the everyday carrying tool. I'm one of the lucky person who received the first prototype, and I would like to show it to you. I have it here in my pocket. This is really the first prototype, so nothing is final from the looks or even from the quality, but I'm here to tell you just how to use tools like this. So for example, I have the knife on the bottom. I will unscrew it. It's getting pretty cold, so I need a tea. So how to do it? Yes, you guessed it, with the also available folding grill. So I'm just opening it. This is again not the final version, it's just a prototype. It's quite easy to handle. Just open it, unfold it, and then combine it. Voila! And then in addition I have to insert it's time to make a fire. Now I can use it to light up my fire. So the tea is ready. Tastes not that bad. And I would like to show you another tool what you can use. It's the fishing kit. Basically I use the knife to cut off the edges, and then I use the included fishing line and the fishing hooks to create some really basic fishing rod. I would like to show you an additional tool. It's called a wire saw, and it's quite easy to do. And what I did, I just chopped the edges to create a bow. So what I need in addition is a paracord. The paracord is also available, and I have it here. What I will do is I'll just make some knots and combine it. So tighten it a little bit, and that's it. That's really a basic bow. What you need in addition is a small stick to create an arrow. So here I have also an arrow tip included. Here's the front, so basically just split it. Now you can easily insert the arrow tip and use the paracord to tighten it. Here I have another solution for an arrow tip. This one is with removable blades and looks really dangerous. And this one I would like to try. So now I would like to demonstrate how to shoot with the arrow and the bow. I really hope that I will hit the target. Pretty good shot. Enough with shooting arrows and hunting and all the food gathering. The MS5 is an everyday carrying tool which you just fit easily inside the backpack or your pocket. So please support this project on Kickstarter, the MS5, the everyday carrying tool. Thank you.